Hello, welcome to Chinese with Cousin Kelly. Last time I made a video about Chinese Pinyin pronunciation. If you haven't watched that video, I already put the link down below. Please check it out. For today's lesson, we are going to practice, and this is the part 1. These are the initials and the finals we are going to practice for today. Look at here. These are the syllables that the finals and initial formed. You can ignore the blank space. This means that no words can be formed. As you can see, I add the tones to each word for us to practice the tones. Do you still remember how to pronounce these initials and finals? Let's go through this again. Bo, po, mo, fo, de, te, ne, le, ge, ke, he, a, o, e, i, u, yu. We can combine the initials and the finals together. Let's ignore the tones first, because I put the tone just for us to practice it later. And now, let's all use the first tone. So the first one, we are going to practice a, bo, a, ba, po, a, pa, mo, a, ma, fo, a, fa, de, a, da, te, a, ta, ne, a, na, le, a, la, ge, a, ga, ke, a, ka, he, a, ha. The second one, o, bo, o, bo, po, o, po, mo, o, mo, fo, o, fo. The third one, mo, mo, de, de, te, te, ne, ne, le, ge, ge, ke, ke, he, he. The fourth one, I, bo, I, bi, po, I, pi, mo, I, mi, de, I, di, te, I, ti, ne, I, ni, le, I, li. The fifth one, u, bo, u, bu, po, u, pu, mo, u, mu, fo, u, fu, de, u, du, te, u, tu, ne, u, nu, le, u, lu, ge, u, gu, ke, u, ku, he, u, hu. The last one, yu, ne, yu, nu, le, yu, lu. This time, let's practice with the tones that I wrote on the board. Ba, pa, ma, fa, da, ta, na, la, ga, ka, ha, bo, po, mo, 佛 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 得特呢乐歌可贺逼痞米地提你离不谱木福都土努鲁姑苦胡女绿 You are doing great! You can pronounce all the combinations for these initials and the finals. Let's practice with words. Let's try to pronounce these words together. Before I say it, I'll give you 3 seconds for you to try it first. 大鹅地图客服理发孤独父母隔阂 If the first words and the second words are using the third tone, the first word will pronouncing as the second tone. We pronounce as 哪里 Again, 哪里可乐 We are finished! Congratulations! This is the Chinese pronunciation part 1, and I'll be doing more practice with you. Please subscribe my channel and follow for more. I'll see you next time. Bye!